Hello scrappers! Tonight I'm going to be scrapping this. This is a security card reader. Kind of neat, never scrapped one of these before. This is exactly how I got it. My brother works at a security company. He installs alarm systems and such. And this was in a bucket full of stuff they removed from a building when they reinstalled new stuff. Looks like those two screws would have lined up with that, but it almost looks like they pulled it off so they could mount it this way in the wall. Kind of neat. You put your card in there and the light turns green. Seeing lots of aluminum and stainless possibly. So we'll start with the screws. How about this one? Magnet doesn't stick to that. They using stainless or brass? I think they're stainless. Yeah, these are definitely non-magnetic stainless because they make sparks. Good weight. Half a pound. This stainless. Where'd my little screw go? Got my screw. Looks like there's the reader. I bet that's a magnetic thing like in a cassette player. Not that heavy. Kind of sounds like aluminum. You know, aluminum has that sound. No sparks, that's aluminum. And what's holding this in? Might have to bend it to get to that. Oh, yeah, that's stainless, alright. If it was aluminum, it would have bent a lot easier. Give it a bend. I can get to those two screws easier. It's looking like there's another one down bottom here. Yeah. Got you now. Another piece of stainless. Now we'll cut the wires. Slide them through the grommet. Some more non-magnetic stainless. Got some number 2 insulated. Ooh, those pins look like they're nice brass. Maybe I'll be trying to get these out if they're not too hard. It's gonna be too difficult. I'm gonna leave these right on the wire. There's some number 2 insulated. And that's all that is. That's a little magnetic reader. There's board green on both sides. Looks like it. Get this little... Looks like there's a screw in there. Green on both sides. That's exactly what that is. A little magnetic reader like in a cassette player. That'd be funny if you put a piece of cassette tape through a security system. And some number 2 insulated. Looks like it was done by hand, all these traces. I wonder if they do that on purpose, so, you know, for more added security. Instead of having a company manufacture your boards for you, make them yourself. So we got some copper bearing board and some green on both side board. Goes in the green bucket. I'm gonna call this little guy copper bearing. I'm not really sure what's in here. No, a magnet's gonna stick to it. I'm gonna call that copper bearing. And we are done. More number 2 insulated. Some copper bearing. And some more non-magnetic stainless steel screws. That's it. Let's see how we did. We have some 1/4 pound of non-magnetic stainless. A little over 1/4 pound of aluminum. This isn't really going to register. These little bits here, they aren't really heavy enough to add up on the scale, but they do add up in the bucket. Got some number 2 insulated, green on both sides, and some copper bearing board. So not too bad. A few minutes worth of work, make a buck, probably, maybe less than that. But it all adds up. People think I'm crazy. So just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.